with nobody out. That thing had a lot of top spin, and it picked up speed on the second bounce.
And it's a good thing it hit on the dirt, which I think it did on the second.
National Weather Service in the Quad Cities has issued a tornado warning for Jackson County in east central Iowa until 2:45 p.m. At 1:54 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a tornado near Maquoketa, moving northeast at 35 miles an hour. The tornado will be near Andrew around 2:05 p.m., Springbrook around 2:10 p.m., St. Donatus around 2:25 p.m. The safest place to be in a tornado is in a basement or interior room or hallway on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 7 p.m. Friday evening for eastern Iowa. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 2:45 p.m. for Jackson County, Iowa.